In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply strike-through formatting to text in your document. Strike-through is a handy tool that allows you to place a line through text, which can be particularly useful for marking items as complete on a checklist or indicating edits during review. It's a simple process, but knowing the shortcut can save you a great deal of time, especially if you frequently work with documents. So, let's dive right in and master the strike-through feature. First, you need to begin by selecting the text you'd like to apply the strike-through effect to. This involves highlighting the portion of your document you want to modify. You can do this by clicking at the start of the text, holding down your mouse button, and dragging across the text until everything you want to be strike-through'd is highlighted. Alternatively, if you're using a trackpad or touch-enabled device, you might find it easier to tap and drag your finger over the area. Make sure all of the text you want to change is selected properly, as this step is crucial for the next part of the process. Now, here's where the magic happens. If you're using a Windows computer, the keyboard shortcut you'll need to apply is Alt, Shift, and the number 5, all pressed simultaneously. For those of you on a Mac, the combination changes slightly. You will use Command, Shift, and X pressed at the same time. These keyboard shortcuts are designed to make the strike-through feature accessible at your fingertips without having to navigate through menus. It's a real time saver once you become familiar with it, especially in fast-paced editing environments. Once you've pressed the correct keys for your specific operating system, you should notice an immediate change in your document. The selected text will now be neatly crossed out with a line running through the middle of it. This visual cue can indicate various meanings depending on your context, whether it's signifying a task that's been completed, drawing attention to text that requires reconsideration, or simply showing what content should be ignored in the current version of the document. And that's all there is to it. You've now mastered the art of using the strike-through feature using simple keyboard shortcuts. This trick can enhance both your productivity and your document's readability, whether you're using it for personal organization or professional collaboration. Keep practicing with these shortcuts, and soon it will become a natural part of your document editing routine. Thank you for joining me today to learn this practical skill. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more quick and useful tech tips.